Hey everyone, this is Joe with Southeastern Frontiers, and today I am hiking in the TVA Park along the Tennessee River in Muscle Shoals, Alabama on the TVA Nature Trail. We're going to go see an old railroad bridge. Come along, check it out. In this video, I hike a very easy walking trail in the Tennessee Valley Authority or TVA Recreation Area in Muscle Shoals, just across the Tennessee River from Florence, Alabama. There are many trails here, but in this case I am hiking to and across an old railroad bridge. The trailhead is in a nice picnic area off Thunder Road with a playground and restrooms. There are good maps and signage, so the trails aren't hard to follow. I hiked along a paved path until I reached a connection with the Rockpile Trail. This trail follows along the bluff above the Tennessee River, providing occasional views. Though I accidentally forgot to record my trail, I then hiked across the old railroad bridge on the Tennessee River. It doesn't go all the way across, but it's still a fun side trip. Then I returned on a loop that was partially dirt and partially paved until I returned to where I had started at the picnic and playground area. This is an easy loop with a fun side trip on a historic railroad bridge. There were several other nice people on the trail that I chatted with and who suggested other trails for future exploration, and I had a great time. We are starting off down the paved flower trail. Super easy walk. We have come to the Gunnery Fitness Trail. Let's see where we are. Yeah, that goes off to the left. I think I want to go off to the right though, because I want to get on the green jogging trail that goes down by the river. I bet it's that way. Okay, now I'm turning right onto the Rockpile Trail. So I think this is going to steeply descend here in a bit. Interesting old fountain. It's an old water fountain. Look at that. Sign here says Southport Trail to the left and Overlook to the right. Well, today I'm going to the Southport Trail, but the Overlook is tempting. I don't think it's very far back, but I think I'm going to go to the Southport Trail because that was my original destination. This is more my style of trail now that we're off the pavement. And the Tennessee River is right there. We're on a bluff above the Tennessee River. Florence is over on the other side. Downtown Florence is over there. And we're on the Muscle Shoals side, on the south side of the river. Got a few wildflowers still hanging on this fall. All right, I think the trail starts to descend here. Down we go. At least I cut some nice steps in here. Placed some nice steps. Look like cut rocks that somebody has placed. Very good. We have joined back up with the road. The Southport Historical Trail branches off that way. I think we keep going. The old town of Southport used to be here, the sign says. Ah. Okay, South Florence it was sometimes called. Interesting. No water flowing out of the creek today. Yeah, I think that's what we want. We want the low shore trail. This way. I'm going to go out onto the little delta here from the creek. Should get a nice view of the bridge from here. There we go. Nice. That's looking upstream or east on the Tennessee River. There's the old railroad bridge in the foreground and a newer highway bridge in the background. And lots of people fishing here in the shade of the trees this morning yet. All right, let's find the trail back up again and keep going. The old railroad bridge. The old railroad bridge. Very cool. All right, this must be the way up. All right, this is the old railroad bridge, which is now a walking trail. Very cool. All right, that was the railroad bridge. Now I think we're gonna have mostly a paved trail. We will see. I was wrong, it's not mostly pavement. I have branched off of the paved trail back onto the TVA Nature Trail. Going under those power lines again. Came up to the top of the hill, taking a hard left onto the shortcut trail. All right, we have caught up with the green jogging trail again. You are here. All right. Basically, I think we're gonna follow a paved path from now on, back to the parking lot. The trail is now paralleling the road out here. Just got the last bit back to the parking area now. I hear you up there, squirrel. Yeah, that's you. We are back to the trailhead, where there are restrooms right here, as well as a really lovely playground for kids. Very cool. All right, we are almost back to the parking lot and trailhead. Thanks for coming along with me today. It was a fun hike, very interesting. Gonna have to check it out more in the future. Catch you next time.